Building confidence in financial markets starts with structure. TheNeoCoreX.com is built for users who want a clearer path into global market education, portfolio thinking, and disciplined financial planning. TheNeoCoreX.com is a market-focused platform created for ambitious investors and new users who value security, reliability, and long-term structure. The platform brings together access to global markets, professional-grade tools, expert insight, and educational support for people who want to understand how different asset classes work together. In this video, we take a closer look at the TheNeoCoreX.com, its main strengths, and why beginners may find its structured approach useful. The TheNeoCoreX.com focuses on discipline and organization. For new users, that matters because markets can move quickly across equities, commodities, currencies, and digital assets. A platform with a clear structure can make the learning process easier to follow. The TheNeoCoreX.com is designed around a reliable platform experience, giving users a more stable environment to explore financial topics, understand portfolio exposure, and study market opportunities with a calmer approach. One of the key strengths of the TheNeoCoreX.com is access to a wider market landscape. Users can explore opportunities across equities, commodities, currencies, and digital assets. This helps beginners understand that financial markets are connected globally, not limited to one country or one sector. The platform encourages users to think beyond local trends and learn how global market movement can shape financial decisions. The TheNeoCoreX.com also focuses on diversification with purpose. Instead of looking at markets one by one, users can learn how different asset classes may fit into a broader portfolio view. With expert insight and professional-grade tools, the platform gives users a more structured way to understand risk, opportunity, and market balance. This makes the TheNeoCoreX.com relevant for beginners who want financial education with more depth and direction. The TheNeoCoreX.com is best understood as a secure, structured, and educational platform for users who want to explore global markets with more clarity. Its main strengths are disciplined strategy, global market access, portfolio education, expert insight, and professional-grade tools. For new users, the TheNeoCoreX.com offers a more organized way to begin learning about markets and long-term financial structure.